In this video, I am talking about the Future Museum of Dubai. Without wasting your time, let's start. At first, what is a museum? A museum is a place where objects of historical or cultural interest are exhibited, preserved, or studied. But this is not an ordinary museum. This is a living museum. Everything in there, either from present or future, not the past. The Museum of the Future is an exhibition space for innovative and futuristic ideologies, services, and products. Located in the financial district of Dubai and founded by the Dubai Future Foundation. It was opened for visitors on 22 February 2022. In the exterior of the building, you will find some future-related quotes written in Arabic calligraphy. The 7th floor pillarless structure covers an area of 30,000 square meters. In the ground floor, there is a science park for the future generation. Spaces of 2nd floor dedicated to crazy ideas. In 4th floor, there is a design of rainforest having more than 2,400 species of plant. On the 5th floor, there is a design of space station where you can feel about space, solar system, and many more. The innovation and technologies of the museum take the visitor to the year 2071. The goal of the museum is to promote technological development and innovation, especially in the field of robotics and artificial intelligence. One of the quotes written in the exterior is, "We may not live for hundreds of years, but the product of our creativity can leave a legacy long after we are gone." I hope this video was informative. That's it for today. See you soon.